What is your writing USP? If you want to make money as a writer in the internet marketing niche, it's critical that you have a USP or unique selling proposition. In other words, an advantage of some sort over all the other writers competing for the same clients. In this article, we're going to look at why this is so important. The fact is, with the internet being a worldwide marketplace, you're competing with people around the world. Many marketers are used to paying pennies for their content, outsourcing it to countries like the Philippines and India, where the cost of living, and therefore the working wage, is far lower. If these writers are offering to write 400-word articles for $2 each, and you're trying to charge $20 each, you need a pretty good reason for charging more. This is where your USP comes into play. If you have a good reason for charging what you do, and it's strong enough to convince clients to pay you what you're worth, you'll be able to land as many writing jobs as you have time for. There are lots of possible USPs that you can use. Expertise in a particular market, fast turnaround, or well-researched, high-quality writing. One of my personal favorites is expertise in a market. If you know a lot about a market that's popular with internet marketers, you can charge considerably more, and the people who are looking for expert content will gladly pay your rates. For example, if you're an expert in fitness and weight loss, you'd have a huge market of potential clients. This is a very popular niche, but it's one that has a lot of junky content out there. If that market was your specialty, you could contact some of the better-known marketers in the niche and offer your writing services. You could even create some samples for them to use, giving the content to them at no charge. This would let them see the quality of your work and get your foot in the door for some paid writing work. Whatever you choose as your USP, make sure you promote it at every opportunity. Put it on your website, in your ads, on your business card, and anywhere else that potential customers might see it. If at all possible, you want your customers to know how good you are before they ever see your prices, because then your prices will become secondary.